and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another Walmart haul, and to be honest, I was a little nervous before I did this haul that I was not gonna make it to this bonus and make it like a money maker like all my other videos, but this is a money maker. So it's a 9-cent money maker, but still it's a money maker. So basically everything in this haul was free, and so I didn't really have a plan this time. I usually make kind of a small plan, but like a bunch of random stuff that would be like cheap or free to get. And so this time I just kind of ran into Walmart and just picked up a bunch of stuff, and I didn't really even calculate anything or anything like that. So let's get started on this haul. We did hit our bonus. That's why I ran to Walmart, because my bonus was about to end. I think the day of, I think when I put in my receipt, I had like a few hours left for the I think weekday bonus or weekend bonus, I don't know, Warrior. It was one of those, and it was like $5 when you spend, I think it was like 20 offers. And then we hit another bonus, but I'll show you guys right now. And I'm almost at the icon level, which is like 90 offers, and apparently that's like the highest you can go on Ibotta. So we'll see what happens after that. Hopefully they like add more like levels to that, or they just send you like different bonuses or something like that, but we shall see. And so let's get started with this haul. Alright, so we're going to start off the video by buying these birthday cards. So I grabbed 3 of these turtle ones. I already gave one away, and be sure to grab the matching envelope. And these are really cute. They're come in handy for any birthday party, so make sure they're American greetings. These are the cheapest ones you can find, so these are 47 cents. You're gonna buy 3 of them, which makes it $1.41. Ibotta is gonna give you back $3 for buying 3 cards, making it a $1.59 money maker. And I think these were the only ones left in my store. It was these and like I'm sorry for your loss sympathy card, but the little turtles were real cute. Okay, so this is the next item. We did this one last time we were here, but it's like a great deal. So we did the all, and make sure it's the free and clear and the clean and care 49 loads. So this one is priced at $6.97. You're gonna get back $2.50 on Ibotta because it's a free and clear, and then you're gonna get back $2.50 because it's a clean and care, and it works for 2 offers. So make sure to pick this up if you see it in the store. If you haven't done this deal before, I think you get $1 back, making it only 97 cents. But since we've done this deal before, it's $1.97. Alright, so this is the next item I picked up. This is the Colgate renewal. And so this is priced at $6.96. You're going to get back $5 on Ibotta, making this $1.96. You're going to submit your receipt to coupons.com app, and you're going to get back $1 for this. So this is 96 cents. And then you're going to receive some shop kicks once you receive the receipt on there. And so you're going to get 300 kicks, which is approximately like $1.67. So this makes it completely free, and you're going to make 71-cent money maker. Okay, so this is the next product that I grabbed. This is Annie's shell and white cheddar. They have other flavors, but make sure you get this from the fridge area. So these are in the fridge. And so this is some macaroni and cheese. This is priced at $2.94. You're going to get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making this $1.44. And then since we bought this once before and the first one was free, so you're going to get a 50-cent bonus for buying this today. And that's 94 cents. And if you haven't bought in this before, I think the first time you buy it, it's completely free. Alright, so this is the next item. I got this in the last video as well. So these are the wheat thins. They're the ranch flavor. They're on clearance for $1.50. You're gonna submit this to Ibotta for $1 back, and that makes it 50 cents, which is a great deal. But because we haven't any crackers, you're also gonna get back 10 cents, making it only 40 cents. So this product is worth 2 offers, and hopefully you can find these in your store. Alright, so this is the next product that I grabbed. I just grabbed these Celestial Herbal Tea samplers. They have a bunch of different variety of flavors. It says 5 flavors. There's chamomile, lemon, peppermint, honey, and sleepy time, but you can grab any flavor that you like. I honestly was going to grab 2 of the peppermint ones because that's what I like, but they didn't have any in stock, so I just grabbed this one because it had a bit of everything. So these are priced at $2.37 times 2 because we got 2 of them. That's $4.74. There was a $1 appeal, and it was $1 when you buy 2. And that made it $3.74. I actually opened this in the store because I was gonna buy it and had the thing inside the tea packet, which was really strange, I thought. But yeah, so $3.74, and you're gonna get back 50 cents per box on Ibotta, making this $1 off. So then you get both of these teas for $2.74. Alright, so the next one is this Bigelow Mint Tea. I've actually had this one before, and it's actually really good. So this is priced at $2.78. There's a 50 cents back on Ibotta, making this $2.28. But then you're gonna get 10 cents back for any kombucha, making this $2.18. And yeah, so this counts as 2 offers. I think the other tea also counted as the kombucha, but this is what I used it on because you can only use it on one. Okay, so this is the last item I got. I got these peanut M&Ms. They're in the sharing sizes. They're great for like a little snack, a little chocolate treat. So these are priced at $2.98. You're gonna get back $1. And that makes it $1.98. I honestly was trying to find the other candy because there's a lot of candy that would be cheaper than this, but I couldn't find any of them in stock. Everything was kind of out of stock, but this is a great price at $1.98. Okay, so this entire haul was completely free, and it was a $2.11 moneymaker. So let's go down the breakdown. So the total was $28.26. On Ibotta, we got back $18.70. We had a $1 coupon for the tea. Then on coupons.com app, we used a $1 off coupon for the Colgate Shop Kicks. We had $1.67 again for the Colgate toothpaste that we bought, and then we had the $5 weekly bonus, and then we also got a $3 bonus for downloading an app and uploading a receipt to help schools, and so our total was free. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see next week's video, and let me know which part of the haul was your favorite. Bye!